Hi, I'm Maureen Green with Kinlin Grover Real Estate, and the address of this one tells you a lot. It's 19 Ocean Ave, Unit 3 in Dennisport.
Easy coastal living is yours in this shell condominium, deeded for year-round use. Everything in this unit comes with the sale. All you need are your toothbrush and flip-flops. The little kitchen is remarkably well organized to get the job done. 2 bedrooms and a bathroom with shower are supplemented by the brand new outdoor shower for washing off sand under the sun. Rent it out or enjoy it yourself. This one is a winner.
So start this summer right, just a few houses away from an ocean beach. I'd love to take you through. I'm Maureen Green. Thanks for your time.